If you are an OG on this channel, you already know my beef with the UK. Lovers of the UK, please, I beg, have mercy on me in the comments. Unanugo. This beef is directed at the geographical location, not you. Don't take it personal. Today, we're off to the UK to give it another chance. My daughter Ned loves the UK. She wants to study in the UK and all that, so we're going for Netani country survey to see if the UK now has the 4 seasons instead of 2 weeks of summer and 9 months of winter. Look at that gloomy weather giving us a lukewarm welcome to the UK. Guess where we are? I miss lots of things in the UK, such as these classic stone houses with back gardens. I love them. The terrace buildings with the shops on the ground floor. They are not open yet because we arrived on the first flight. How do you like it?
It's very
cool. Is it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What do you like most about what you got?
Oh, the city.
Yeah?
The city in general.
No, I said so far. What do you like most?
The houses.
The houses you like? They are cool.
Yeah.
First things first. Off to grocery shopping to stock up our fridge in our new home. Cool, don't kill me for this UK. Oh. This is the middle of summer. Well, today we have 38 degrees where we live. See cloud, doom and gloom. Madre mia. No. I'm reminded of the reason why I left this place. Whew. Baby, we should have brought winter jacket though. Okay, man, you have winter weather. Eh? Where? I want my mommy. So good. Another thing I miss so much is the one in town British fresh milk, the best in the world. Oh my God, my love for this milk. So I went straight to the milk aisle. We have fresh milk in Spain, but it doesn't taste quite the same. There's something about British whole milk, madre mia. I can move back here just because of British fresh milk, eh? And then we surprised my sister, the one that is hard to surprise. She lives here in... Have you guessed where I am yet? Have you? And have you liked this video yet? Like so that I can move back to the UK.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I was thinking for Airbnb. I saw Airbnb. Airbnb. You got me. I said there's nobody like. How come I didn't pick your voice?
Voice how?
Oh my God.
She's in upstairs.
So you guys flat.
Hey! Now got someone.
I think she's sleeping. I don't know.
Oh, let let me look around here. Close the door. I'll probably save. Oh my god, this is nice. Why?
I got you complete. That is I got you.
Oh my god. So you set me up with your friend, eh?
I'm gonna show her can then you high five with you.
Hey.
I see Kaivia.
It's not that far from me, like it's not that far.
A man, edge map where your ban. I bet you still a beg. If you got someone, I'm gonna do.
Yes, I'm going to quickly. I'm going quickly. Just my.
Dev tap, man.
Hey. Now my friend. I'm going my friend. I'm my friend Selena. Now they see what they all say. Jesus Christ.
Mark the marker. I'm so shining. I see Kaivia. I may go be on my. Yeah, I can't just sing well over. If one win, I see age boss, sing well over. If I say a cello, because that's a nebulous woman I get up by a jump up by.
I'm very surprised, no. I'm not surprised.
Come, doesn't want it. Doesn't want me to favor you.
Even the Huber here, directly opposite, some plus.
It's time for sightseeing. A trip to the UK without sightseeing. Is that one a trip to the UK? Mbano. Let's get to know this city, shall we? I also love the UK double-decker buses. Great for sightseeing. In fact, this bus is built for sightseeing. I don't even know why they use it for public transport.
Oh, the Man City.
Man City fan. In the question, no Man City fan.
They are the champions.
Oracle.
European champions.
Yeah. Triple champions.
Yeah.
We are the champions, Man City. We are the champions. If I get to Man U, if I get to Old Trafford, I shout as well. We are the champions. We are...
I'm almost the last 15 years. These tickets now, I gauge you pay about trap. That's asking.
Sea life, what do you call or aquarium we have? I'm going back to school, guys. School Lunka. So that's why I'm here. Yeah. Not really for my children. We are coming. See our school here. The University of Manchester. Who lives in Manchester? Come on, let us play. Yeah. Once I finish with my registration, I'm doing adult education. University of Manchester. Who is Uni of Manchester alumnus? Come here, let's for a group hug. I'm matriculating here this summer. Now we're going to the Manchester Museum. All right. Look at that Attribution girl, a salicious girl over there. Everywhere
here is University of Manchester.
See this campus, our campus. See Manchester summer, oh. See Manchester summer. See summer and raincoats. Allergic to this kind of weather. Let's go. Oh. I'm allergic to this kind of weather in summer. Oh. Madre mia. Madre mia. I am salt. I'm going to melt, please. Huh? I don't like this kind of weather. Ned, did you like this kind of weather? Yes. You love it. I know you like cold. And Kamsi? Kamsi and you? Look at his face.
Yes, I like it.
You like this weather? Okay. I can't wait for you guys to go to university so you can come and enjoy this weather. Hey! Oh. Hi! Chineke abịama. You don't give summer and jacket and rain and baby, oh yeah, that is okay. We're going to Chinatown. Chinatown. UK weather. UK weather. Oh, baby, we go Chinatown.
Where are we?
Hey, let's go and look for something to eat. What restaurant we have? Vietnamese food. Do we go?
We can go to Chinese McDonald's. Okay?
No, Kwale. Chinatown. You want to go to McDonald's? This girl. Come, wait, baby, Chen. Let's go. Hi. Oh.
I will experience this kind of weather for 1 week.
Imagine. No? 1 week of drizzling. It's good.
Good for napping.
Napping.
Take a siesta.
Napping. Oh, napping Gambia. Did you relocate here to come and be napping?
No, it came for relaxation. To cuddle my wife.
Hey, boy.
That was a good weather for that.
In a cuddle your wife, man. You have from Kito, you need to move outside here.
Yeah, good
I
weather.
thank you. Oh, yeah, that.
Have a camera.
You are. JJC, newly relocated. I wanna go home. I'm tired. Look at the summer. I wanna go home. I know they stay again.
Manchester is beautiful.
Manchester is beautiful. What?
Beautiful, sir.
And the Manchester ever. See them. Look at. Just imagine. I wanted to come here to give this place a chance, but you have seen it. I tried my best. In August. Can you believe this? Early August for that matter. You people would not say that I didn't try for this UK. I gave it another chance, but man, oh my God. Look at the beautiful houses. But man, look at that sky. Look at that gray sky. No. So, I beg, we are going back to sunshine. This relocation did not work. Let's go and wait for when the UK will start doing sun seeding. Is that what it's called? The same way the UAE did cloud seeding to get rain, the UK should do the reverse. What's the name for that? Cloud busting? I don't know, yeah. UK should do something, I beg, so some sunshine can peek through. Until then, bye-bye. See you when the sun gets here.